भाई मुझे फिर एयरपोर्ट छोड़ रहा है. Life has just brought me to this loop. I'm very close to. I am in the airport right now. फिर मुझे याद है मुझे लॉक करना है. Basically I'm going for placements. और मैंने सोचा why not record this because there is no information about it on the internet. Nobody's showing it. मैं फटी में हूँ. I'm making content for your and my sake. Do I think I'll get a job? No. Am I going for vibes and experience? Yes. Will I eventually?
तू जा रही है पापा के पैसे उड़ाने. Yes.
He's just jealous of me because इसको कोई placements पे नहीं भेज रहा था. इसको सब सीधा गले पे भेज रहे थे.
प्लेसमेंट हुए ही नहीं हमारे इधर.
Yuck man, रामदेव बाबा boo. Do I think I'll get a job? No. Because मैंने 6 कंपनीज में अप्लाई किया है. Just 6.
हमारे इधर तो 6 कंपनी भी नहीं आई थी.
गरीब कॉलेज रोना बंद कर. चल.
फ्लाइट मोड में किया जा सकता है. टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग के दौरान अपने उपकरणों को बंद करें और रख दें.
मैं व्लॉग करी थी. मैंने व्लॉग को बताया नहीं कि तुम भी हो. तो बेसिकली मुझे अर्शिया एयरपोर्ट पे मिल गई और मुझे उसकी एक दोस्त भी मिल गई खुशी. एंड बिकॉज शी इज लिव्ड इन बैंगलोर तो उसने हमें एयरपोर्ट से HSR भी पहुंचा दिया. अब हम यहाँ से अपने अपने घर जा रहे हैं. यहाँ That's my idli dosa guys. That's my idli dosa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. सुबह से मैंने व्लॉग ही नहीं किया है क्योंकि काम कर रही थी. There was nothing to show really. Had a little panic attack recently, but we're good now. खाना खाएंगे. And you know what is Rudrapriya's solution to a person losing their mind and having like an anxiety attack? थप्पड़ मारो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ब्रो ये किसका बाप खुला छूट गया. प्लीज ले जाओ. Hello. Say hello. How are you doing mentally? That's a cry for help. So, to update you guys, रात का बज रहा है 3:30. I had a coffee and I'm shitting myself every 1 or 2 hours. This girl has not finished her coffee because she saw me shitting. I have a very bad digestive system, knows that. So I don't think I'm willing to risk that. Yeah. Brother does not want to shit. के बीच में सोचो इंटरव्यू के बीच में सर पॉटी आ रही है सर जाके आओ क्या. Doing potty and walking out, right? Imagine having water marks over the pants like the great trousers. It would look like I peed myself because I was not. Oh, I'm going to wear beige trousers tomorrow. Fuck me. Anyways, तो मैं पता मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. मतलब अनसीरियस की सीमा के उस पार मेरा घर है. ठीक है. All of my projects are done. ठीक है. All I have to do technically is line my ducks in a row and fuck off to sleep. लेकिन अब चालू है भाई का ब्यूटिफिकेशन कमिटी ऑफ माई पोर्टफोलियो. ये पोर्टफोलियो का पूरा एस्थेटिक आज ही बदलूंगी मैं. ठीक है. कल इंटरव्यू गाली नहीं दे सकती, मम्मी देखती है. आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू चेंज दिस पेज. दिस पेज रिमेन्स द सेम. ये मैंने अभी बैठ के पूरा ऐसे ब्रिक बाय ब्रिक बनाया है. ठीक है. And now all of my projects are going to change. इस भाई ने decide किया अब portfolio बदल जाएगा. So that's what I'm up to. Good morning pineapples. It is 8 a.m. We are dressed. Wow. And मेरे को नींद के नशे हो गए. I genuinely feel like I'm on something. And we need to walk like 1 kilometer in heels. Because my other option, whatever. I don't like this girl right now. She's being very factual. 8 a.m. का वहाँ पे वो है check-in. What is it called? Registration. We are doing a pit stop at Chayos क्योंकि इंसान खाता भी है. I feel hungover. There's no reason for me to be. One sec.
इसमें भी बाल है बिल्ली के.
इसको हृदय के छोटे से पैर दिखाऊं गाइस. She's what a size 5. Lol size 5 और ये 5 फुट 8 इंच की है. बताओ इतने छोटे से पैर है, इतना बड़ा शरीर है, गिरती पड़ती रहती होगी है ना.
अभी देखा नहीं पानी गिरा दिया.
अरे भाई इसने पूरी टंकी ही ढोल दी वहाँ पे. इट्स जस्ट हर लक कि वो पानी ऐसे फैला नहीं, वो टंकी ऐसे सीधी लैंड करी है इन द मिडल ऑफ द कॉरिडोर। आपको जाते जाते दिखाऊंगी कौन सी टंकी ढोली है। अभी हम लोग बैठे हैं बिकॉज वी डोंट नो इफ़ वी आर सिलेक्टेड और नॉट, और मैं अभी तक पोर्टफोलियो ही बना रही हूँ।
मैं इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रही हूँ बट हो नहीं रहा।
ये चैट जीपीटी से पूछ रही हूँ वाई यू शुड हायर मी। चैट जीपीटी कहेगा मैं आपके पैर धो के पी लूँ मैडम। चैट जीपीटी इज़ नॉट द वन, जेमिनी। आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन सेट, आई विल हेल्प यू। एक इंटरव्यू था, उसमें भी हम शॉर्ट लिस्ट नहीं हुए। एक नहीं, दोनों रिजेक्ट हुए।
मैं लाई नहीं क्योंकि
सो हम guess who's the loser, guess who dressed up for nothing। भाई भगवान करे अच्छा पैकेज ही लग जाए एट द एंड ऑफ द डे। अभी हम खाना खाने जा रहे हैं। हम ये कर रहे हैं, कहेंगे कि इंटरव्यू नहीं मिल रहा, इंटरव्यू से निकाल क्यों दे रहे हैं हमें, राउंड में सिलेक्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे।
अरे
ये देखो इतनी उदासी ना इंटरव्यूज के पॉइंट पे भी नहीं हुई थी, जो सुर ताल निकले ना अभी। While I was vlogging मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मैंने इतना कुछ बताया ही नहीं है प्लेसमेंट के बारे में। सो हियर इज एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली विल be happening or what you should be expecting, but keep in mind that this is my personal experience, take it with a pinch of salt, and also keep in mind that NIFT is never consistent with their rules or routines. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि तुम्हारे साथ दिल्ली में हो या जो भी अगले साल हो, that will be completely different from what happened in Bangalore 2026. Day 1 was on 20th, you go on 8:30 and you go get registered. Registration is very simple, you give your iCard, they check you in on their list, whatever. And then you have this website where they have all your interviews and what companies interviewing at what falana dhimka, and उसमें list होती है registered, round 1, round 2, round 3, like that. Funnily enough, it will happen with a lot of companies जहाँ उनके website पे नहीं दिखाएगा that they have selected people for round 1 or round 2 or whatever, and you might end up wasting your time. So I will 100% suggest जहाँ पे भी उसका interview room है वहाँ जाके बैठ जाओ, वहाँ पे there will be volunteers who will help you out. Thankfully, Bangalore had some really nice, helpful volunteers. Otherwise, the entire process and the setup जो NIFT ने set किया था, bullshit, so bad. In Bangalore, they were announcing on the mic कि this company is in, people for this round go, this round that. So you just have to be very alert, very conscious of it. Unfortunately, interviews में मैं पहुंची नहीं because for whatever fucking reason, जो लोग एडी को हायर करने आए थे वो टीडी को हायर करके ले गए. Brother, what? If you're a fucking furniture company, why are you hiring people from TD? And if you wanted people from TD, why did you make AD people apply? You took up our spots. Stupid. Do I think that placements is kind of a waste of time? Yes. Do I think you should practically don't count placements as a job placement thing and apply on your own? Yes. I would not suggest you waste your time on it because the companies that are coming are not even like worth going. There are companies जो एकदम ही loser नाम की loser companies. There's a company that's a complete scam and fraud, very public fraud. Like there has been an article on it, Reddit पे everyone's talking about it. 16 VC something. They are a fraud company and people have talked about it enough for NIFT to not let them into our placement system. But were they there? Yes. Did they interview kids? Yes. So I don't know. I do not trust NIFT quite a lot with all of this. Do I think if you don't have the time and the money to go to placements, please don't just apply on your own. You're really not missing out on much. Do not suggest sitting for placements, at least not this year in 2026, because most of the companies are not paying enough, they are not worth it, and so many other things like that. But there are people who got placed. I think in Bangalore I know of like 4 people from our campus in Jodhpur who got placed. So 4 out of however many came. Is that a very valid number? No. I think all in all, if it's not easy for you to apply for placements and go there, if it's taking like a lot of effort and money, just don't, because there is 90% of the chance that you don't get a placement and that money goes to waste. It did in my case. So but for documents, you need your 10th ka mark sheet, 12th ka mark sheet, your CV. Not only I printed both my CVs, the personal design one that I made and the rubbish ugly one that we got on the job seeker thingy. So both of those CVs I took 5 printouts. No, I took like 4 printouts of them. And some people printed out their portfolios. I feel bad for them because printing out 50 pages is an expensive affair. So yeah, that's all the documents you need. There's nothing else. You just need your iCard, your laptop, your documents, and then you're good to go. I hope if you're sitting in placements, you get a job, because somebody should. And if you don't, you're not missing on much. Just apply on your own. With that, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's literally a 5-6 minute vlog. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you know every time I'm posting. And this might probably be my last NIFT related vlog, but if there's something that you want to ask to a almost grad student of NIFT, please do not be shy to do that.